Also want to bring in Cory Crowley, Republican strategist, who's been listening in and watching this coverage all of this morning. Cory, your first thoughts on the visuals we are tracking as Donald Trump has left the court and is headed towards the airport. Cory.
Well, it's certainly both a dark and historic moment in the life of American politics. You know, it's as you've heard already today, this is unprecedented, but it's also sad. Not sad because of what's happening to Donald Trump necessarily. I mean, I think he's certainly brought plenty of this upon himself, but sad that this is where the country's at. That a former president of the United States has to be indicted. I continue to maintain that this is a very weak case, a weak set of charges for the Democrat district attorney up there to be bringing of all the things that you could have charged Donald Trump with for both his time in public office and his time as a businessman and as a private citizen. Hush money to a porn star for a personal sex scandal seems somewhat ridiculous. And I think that's going to be the serious PR problem that prosecutors face here, is that you may have a strong legal case, but the president, the former president, certainly has the much stronger case of public opinion in this particular case.
Cory, but the Democrats say that this is the beginning of it. There are other two very important cases pending against the president, and perhaps we will see movement on those as well before the elections next year.
Yeah, it would have been better for the district attorney to stand down and let one of those stronger and potentially more serious cases come forward first, because what you face now as prosecutors is the simple narrative that this is a continuous witch hunt. You know, it starts with something petty like paying off a porn star and maybe gets more serious. But when you started with your weakest hand first, it doesn't make it very easy to win a PR battle. And let's not forget, you can think what you want of Donald Trump, and I certainly was one of the Republicans who was not always in his corner, but he is a master of manipulating public opinion and of getting people to take his side. And I think that the prosecutors in this case have greatly underestimated it.